Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Domingo C. Valera Jr. and I will recite the 10 basic international human rights. First, Standard 1, Equal Protection. Everyone is entitled to equal protection of law without discrimination on any grounds. Example, the police officer must provide assistance to each and everyone regardless of gender, color, race, or nationality. Standard number 2, respectful treatment. Treat all citizens and victim or detainees with compassion and respect. Example, the police in under custodial investigation, the investigator must treat the suspect with a full respect and kindness during the questioning. Standard number 3, use of force. Do not use of force except when it's strictly necessary. Using force is necessary when the life of the police or the life of others is in danger. Example, the police officer is arresting a person uncontrollable, and she must apply first verbal warning before he use force. Fourth, Standard 4 is policing non-violent assemblies. Avoid the use of force when policing unlawful but non-violent assemblies. And example is when in a peaceful rally, the police must aware or must control the crowd in the rally without dispersing them violently. Standard 5 is arresting a person on the legal grounds. Only arrest person on if there's legal ground to do so, and proper procedure must be followed in arresting a person. Example, if a person caught in the committing a crime, theft, the police officer must be immediately arrest the person because he's have a personal knowledge that the person has to commit or committed the crime. Standard number 6, lethal force. Lethal force should not be used unless when strictly an avoidance in order to protect police life or life of others. Example, and lethal force is only used as a last resort. Example, the police officer may shoot a armed person only in the non-vital parts of the suspect. Standard number 7 is the detainees' rights. All detainees should access his or their family lawyer and medical doctor. Example, if the suspect in custody has a disease, he or she may access his medical doctor to cure his disease. Standard number 8, human treatment of detainees. All detainees should be treated humanely and not be torture or violence. Example, the jail officer must provide a clean water, foods, and safe living condition of the or to the detainees. Standard number 9, refusal to obey unjust order. Police officer refusal the command or order, unlawful command or order uh, to kill innocent person. Example, his superior given command to a police officer to kill his subordinate. He or she must be refused that command to to not to not to not kill his subordinate. Standard number 10 is reporting violation. All violation must be reported immediately to the police officer or to the nearest prosecution office. Example, if there's a crime committed, you should report immediately to the police officer or to the prosecution office